Hello, another review I'd like to do is for a film I've seen many years ago, Fish Tank 2010 by Andrea Arnold. I really like her films, but this is one of the first I've seen. I had seen Red Road 2006 before, but I like this even more. Fish Tank stars Katie Jarvis as Mia, a 15-year-old girl living in Barking area, Dagenham, Rainham, that sort of area on the edge of East London. Some people call it Essex. It's that London, Essex area. She lives on a council estate in a block with her mum, played by Kirsten Waring, and Tyler, played by Rebecca Griffiths. Her mother has a boyfriend, Connor, played by Michael Fassbender. It's a coming-of-age film showing how difficult life is. I warmed a lot to Mia. She's quite a troubled teenager, but she's got her passions and she's very keen on dancing. She'd like to make a success of it, but she is quite a loner. She doesn't get on with some of her peer group. She ends up in arguments with them. She gets fights, and yet she spends most of the time dancing in tower block. She comes across this horse in a yard, and a group of guys have this space, and she cares for the animal. She thinks it's unfair that it's tied up in this yard. There's this situation that she's been monitored by the local authority. They keep visiting. They want to send her to a pupil referral unit that's excluded students or to considered troubled children, those who don't fit in. And she starts to make a friendship with Connor. There's lots of trouble. She falls out a lot with her sister, falls out even more with her mum. She makes one friend, a young lad, but apart from that, she's very isolated. Connor introduces her to music like Bobby Womack, California Dreaming. Love that song. There's this trip the family goes on and out into Essex, and she catches a fish. This moment of escapism from the humdrum life, the urban edge of London, industrial area. It's quite a tough area, I'd imagine, and those moments of escape really struck a chord with me. I really like the film. I've liked a lot of Andrea Arnold's films. I like American Honey as well, which has some similarities in theme. Controversial characters. They can be slightly alienating in what they do, ambiguous and troublesome. It's thought-provoking. Just love this film. I've watched it over and over. I'd definitely give this a 9 out of 10. I saw it in 2010 in the cinema about 3 times when it was screened, and then bought the DVD. I was disappointed because I don't think it had an audio commentary, and that's one of the reasons I bought the DVD. Katie Jarvis hadn't acted before, and I don't think she's acted since. That's a shame of it, because I thought she did an absolutely stellar performance. And I think that a lot is attributable to the director as well. Andrea Arnold is fabulous. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.